So here we are, folks. We are in Fairway, Kansas on this property tour. The house is right behind us. So if moving to Fairway, Kansas is something you guys ever thought about, well, we've got you covered because we're going to take a look at the inside, the outside, talk about all the amenities about this property and why it's a solid buy in a great area. So stick with us to the end. We got great information for you. Definitely don't want to miss. Let's jump into it. Hi, my name is Fernando Marquez, and this is my channel, Investing and Living in Kansas City. I've been a real estate agent with United Real Estate Kansas City for over 5 years and a real estate investor for over 8 years. We speak to people all the time about wanting to relocate to Kansas City, buy their first home, upgrade, downgrade, buy a piece of land to build their forever home, or better yet, find an investment property right here in Kansas City, in the Kansas City metropolitan area. Got tons of experience as an investor. We buy, we flip, we wholesale, we have rentals, do multifamily, single family, whatever it takes, whatever you guys want and need, we're here to help you guys achieve your dream on your first home. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Call, email, text, or better yet, set up a Zoom call so we can go ahead and share information over the computer. Like I said, my name is Fernando Marquez. I've been a real estate agent for 5 years, and I've been a city resident of Kansas City, Missouri for the last 38 years. I've seen lots of growth in this city and in the metropolitan area, and there's a ton more growth that's taking place right now, and it's super exciting. So if you guys have any questions about this property or any property on the Kansas and Missouri side, doesn't matter what city it is, as long as it's in the metropolitan Kansas City area, we can definitely help you guys. Now remember, it could be for investment purposes or your own property, whether you're buying or selling. So again, reach out to us, text, phone, email, or better yet, set up a Zoom call. Thank you very much. God bless. So let's go ahead and do a quick look around the neighborhood so you guys have a better understanding of what it looks like. Okay, folks, so here's the property in question. Let's go ahead and do a quick 180. Let's look around here. See, one of the great benefits, this is an older neighborhood, and you guys know I'm always talking about the trees. Look at the size of these trees over here. So this tells you right here that it is an older neighborhood. All these properties are relatively going to be the same build, same size. Look at that. Look at the size of it. Look at the canopy on that, what kind of shade that provides. It's really impressive. So look at the properties across the street. This entire area is very nice. It's a little bit more expensive, even though it's older homes, but look how nicely manicured everything is. All the houses in this area are well kept. They've been taken care of very well. And we'll talk a little bit about why this is such a popular area. So we'll talk about that when we get into the numbers here in a little bit. So let's go ahead and go look at the exterior first. Okay, so you can see right here, this property used to have a garage, but they converted that garage into living space. So let's take a look at out here on the back. We'll take a look at the back after we go inside. All right, take a look over here, the front porch. I like the way they stain the wood. It makes everything pop really nice. Look at, here's the property on the side. Look at that red brick pathway over there. They did a lot of really nice things to this property, give it a very homey feeling. We'll see that when we go around the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and go inside. So as we walk in, we're coming right into the living room area. Okay, so here's the front entrance. This would be the living room. Look at these large windows. See right out the front, great view, great natural light. And obviously in these older homes, look at all these beautiful hardwood floors. Okay, here's your hallway closet. Now we are walking right into what is going to be your dining room. Decent sized dining room for a table for 6. Let's go ahead and go into this area. Here's a hallway closet right here. Here is bathroom number 1. Nice mirror, window. Got the nice tile work and the mosaic. This is the original bathtub. You can tell by the design it was reglazed. They did a really good job. Some of these older homes they do really nice work. Okay. Now we are going into bedroom number 1. These are still all hardwood floors coming in here. It's a really nice sized bedroom. This is looking out the front of the property. There's a closet right there. Coming into bedroom number 2. Looking out the side of the house and directly in the back. Okay, so now we're going to go into the kitchen area. The kitchen's a bit small, but it's expected for these older homes. You can see these are nice hardwood cabinets. You have a mix of stainless steel, white appliance package. You can see over here, this is looking straight out to the back. The cabinets are really nice. There's some work that you can do. You can paint those. Got a nice crown molding up at the top. Now we come over here, we're walking down into what used to be the garage. Okay, so this is the area I showed you in front where they went ahead and closed off the garage and made this into a living area. So this looks to be like your family room. All right, so I'm walking back up here. There's the entrance where we came in. So there's a lot you can do with this: family room, dining room, extended dining room. So they did a really nice job. If you look up top, they have a pine wood ceiling with some faux beams, and this looks right into the backyard, which we'll get to that here in a second. I want to go downstairs in the basement, but look at this view. You can see the backyard. They did a really nice job. I really like what they did with this house. Love these older houses. If you look at my previous videos, you know that I grew up back east in an old house like this. So I really like it. So let's go downstairs into the basement. Okay, so now this basement is a full-size basement. It's the full size of the house. Here's your work area, your bench and work area. We put on the light so you can see that a little bit better. Okay, now this is looking towards the front of the house. Let's see, these lights over here, those are off. So that right there, if you can see, that's your water meter. These beams right here, they're in place, these I-beams, because there was some wall deflection, hydrostatic pressure coming in from the front and bowing in the wall. So those beams are put in there to keep it from further bowing and causing further damage. One of the things I notice automatically here, that aside from it being nice and neat and clean, is that it is bone dry. Here is your Lennox furnace. You can see right there from the PVC, what we explained before, those high efficiency furnace. Here's some more, another area. This would be underneath the patio. We'll go up here in the back and see it. So there's a lot more storage under here. And here is your 200 amp breaker panel. You can see they've done a lot of upgrades to the plumbing. They still have some copper, but they've changed out a lot of PVC. Okay, so let's go back upstairs. All right, so let's go upstairs. So now we go heading upstairs. So as you come upstairs, you come right into what could be an office area. Okay, here is some storage. This is looking towards the side of the house, and walk down the hallway. Over here would be the furnace and AC for this area upstairs. This could definitely be another bedroom. Could be bedroom number 3. It looks like that's what it was used for. Or it could be a play area. We do have a closet, so it can definitely be a bedroom. You can see you have the fireplace running through there, so it gives it some nice character. So as we go down the hallway, we come into bathroom number 2. That is facing the backyard. You can see out there. Now this is a shower instead of a bathtub. Now we can go in. We come into bedroom number 4. This is on the opposite end of the house. Got more storage in here. Now this is looking at the opposite side of the house. And there is your closet. So that is upstairs. So let's go ahead and go outside in the backyard so you guys get to see what that looks like. Go out the patio here, the back. So this is a screened in porch in the back. Got tile on the floor. Up top, this is an excellent spot back here. Look at all the vegetation. They did a really nice job of landscaping. Nice spot to have some coffee in the morning. They have a built-in pond in the back. Got some privacy fences, completely screened. You don't have to worry about mosquitoes back here. So let's go down into the patio. So here's the side of the property that we looked at first. This is where we were looking at when we first take a look here. That goes right into what used to be the garage. And now is the living space. So if you come up the side, this is what you're gonna see. Got a really nice privacy fence around here, nice landscaping, brick walkways. Here you have a stone walkway, and there is what amounts to like a small koi pond. Here's the rest of the backyard. It's a decent size. It's mostly flat. They did a really nice job. There is your shed for your lawnmower and lawn equipment. We walk all the way around here, all stone. Looks very nice, very picturesque. Look at all the hostas. Done a great job back here. There's your two ACs, one for downstairs, one for upstairs. And here's the walkway. And I came around the other side earlier. So very nice. It feels very cozy back here. It's like you're not even in the city. You're kind of like in your own world. So let's go back inside and let's talk numbers. All right, folks, so here are the numbers on this property. So it is 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 1,717 square feet. It's a 1948 build, and this property is listed for $458,000. Now, a couple things about Fairway that are good to know. And one of the reasons why this property, even though for its size and its age, it's kind of up there in terms of price. A lot of areas for $459,000, you can get much more house in different areas of the metropolitan area. But some of the key points about Fairway, Kansas is this. You're on the edge of Kansas, only a couple miles from the Country Club Plaza, which is on the Missouri side. It's not too far away, easy to get to. And like I always said, there's really no traffic in Kansas City. So one of the benefits is all your shopping, nightlife is just across the road here. Couple miles down. You're also not too far away from I-35 down Shawnee Mission Parkway. And then you have access to Johnson County, tons of shopping, tons of entertainment, tons of restaurants. So it's a really good area. Plus this area right here, you've got a lot of great properties here, much bigger and goes into the millions. And as of this recording, there was only 4 properties listed for sale in Fairway, Kansas. So now it's not a very big city, but it's a very popular area where the properties hold their value and bring all the money. So if this is something you guys are interested in, definitely reach out to me. Click like and subscribe. The descriptions down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. Now it can be on the Missouri side, it can be on the Northland, it can be down South Kansas City or other areas of Kansas. So definitely reach out to us. We definitely want to talk to you. We've got a lot of information we can share with you guys that you're really going to like. So God bless. Thank you very much.